Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Friday and a great week. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag and who it's from. We have Joy Sunday. Amazing, huh? Alright. These cross stitches come from the FGNormal store, and if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. We're just going to take the first one off the top. Let me put the other two out of my way. Of course, it's a Joy Sunday kit, and all three of these kits are under $10. So something nice to work on. It does come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. And this is called Iris 2. I just loved all the reds, the purples, the greens, the yellows. Yeah. Just stunning. And there's going to be some light back stitching because it just kind of follows everything. You know, like right around the edges real nicely. So not too difficult at all. And it was $5.34. Oh, there's what I was looking for to start out with. And it has two sets of numbers. Top one goes to the paper pattern, bottom goes to the canvas. We have a total of 38 colors. So you have 37 colors in full stitch. You have 5 in half stitch. You have 1 in quarter stitch and 2 in back stitch. So we have 310 black and 3865 for the white. Anything else I know of? No 550 purple comes close. 552, 53, and 54, but no 550. And let me see here. No, nothing else I've heard of. So we'll just have to look at the threads here in a minute. It is 104 stitches wide by 153 high. It is a partial. You do not go corner to corner, edge to edge with all your stitching, but very nicely printed, very easy to see where all those back stitches are. Just gorgeous. And it's just all on one page, I guess. Guess it's gonna go this way, maybe? Yeah. I had to make sure I was doing it right. So it's been a hot moment since we've seen those like that. And did I tell you it was 26 by 35? I'm sorry. Skipping things, either that, skipping things or forgetting things. How's that? Does come on 2 thread cards with 2 needles. These are the plain thread cards, but look at those colors, pinks and kind of a reddish purple, kind of a peach, kind of a buttery yellow, and I think that's 310 black. Yeah, because it's not over here. So evidently it's just used for the back stitching. Beautiful, gorgeous oranges, peaches, pinks. Even some purples in here, and kind of a yellow orange down here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Let's take a look at the canvas. Let me roll that up. Canvas is serged all the way around. So this one goes this way, just like the pattern, but nice, big, easy to see key running along the bottom. You have back stitch, you have your quarter stitch, you have a half cross stitch. I'm not sure what that quarter cross stitch is for, just not real clear. And then the rest of your colors all the way around the outside. And this does not look very confettied. It looks like everything's running in rivers. I hope you are able to see that. And I'm going to get rid of those scissors because, you know, stuff happens around here. It's nothing that I either knock the scissors off or all of my magnets fall off and they go skittering across the floor. It's awesome. All right, this is 14 inches or 35.5 centimeters by 26.5 centimeters or a little under 10.5 inches. Actual size is 7.5 inches or a little over 19 centimeters by 28 centimeters or 11 inches. So not too big, not too small. Nice big areas to stitch, and parts of them are in half cross stitch. So that makes it very nice and easy. This background is all half cross stitch, and there may be some scattered, you know, down through here that I'm not seeing. But very nice canvas. I really do like that. All right. We're going to go with this one. We don't want that other one yet. All right. This one I thought was gorgeous because it's one of my favorite colors. You know, name a color I don't like. I'm not real fond of black and white, but yeah. You know what I mean. Isn't that stunning? It's called Gooseberry Bouquet. 31 by 38. And it was $6.68. And these are all 14 count. But look at the purples and the greens. They're just so bright, so vivid. And I believe those are going to be French knots on the ends of those. Is it stamens? Is that the right word? Yep, there you go. There's your French knots. Yeah. Got a bunch of those, but you could change it up and use real tiny, like crystal seed beads. I think it'd make it look gorgeous. Do we have, yes, we have 2 sets of numbers. This set goes to the paper pattern, and the reason I can tell is that they are all squares on your full cross. And then over here you have different symbols, so this one will go to the canvas. We have a total of 39 colors. You have 39 colors in full stitch. You have 4 in half stitch, 1 in French knot. We already know that one. And 6 in back stitching. We have 310 black. No 550 purple. Not even an inch of it. B5200 for the white, and I don't know any of those other colors. I may when I see them. But yeah, there's going to be some back stitching in the petals of the flowers, and of course the French knots. There's probably 100 French knots. I don't know, I'm just guessing. But this flower alone has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 French knots by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 times 5 is 60 something, right? Very nice. Very nicely done. The rest of it's over here. So you got some back stitching in the leaves and around the berries. But just a beautiful looking kit. All right. This comes on 2 thread cards. And they are the good thread card. I call them the good thread cards because they have all the information. And it does come with 2 needles. Let's take a look. So it's mainly Easter colors, if you will. Purples and greens and blues. Kind of some pastels. There's your B5200. Oh, we do have 310 black. And blues. That's like a peacock blue. Look at all those shades of green, yellow, green, greenish yellow. Yeah. Kind of a minty green. Some more purples. Kind of lilac-ish colors. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. I was out in the wind yesterday. So that's how we're going to roll today. Let's take a look at this gorgeous canvas. It is a partial once again. Does have some bigger areas. Not a whole lot, not gonna lie, but it's not confettied. So I am thrilled sick. The back stitching will make this kit Nice big key, just like the last one. There's your back stitch, your half cross stitch, and your rest of your numbers run all the way down to here, and your one French knot. But very nice, nice thick canvas. And it is serged all the way around. Before I forget to say that, it is 130 by 172 in stitches. It is 38.5 centimeters, or almost 15.25 inches, by 31 centimeters, or 12.25 inches. And actual is a little over 9.25 inches, or 23.5 centimeters, by 31.5 centimeters, or a little over 12.25 inches. Just beautifully done, gorgeous colors, very nicely printed. I'll fold this in half so I can hold it up. That way you don't have to look through it, but very clear, precise. I am liking these new printed kits. They are very well done. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, I saved this one for last because it's kind of whimsical, okay? This one is 47 by 37, $8.02, 14 count, of course. And I think it's a partial too. But I got this just because it looked fun. And you know how I am about the things I'm going to show you. I just love the geese. This is called Geese in Autumn. I just thought it was hilarious. Them all trucking off. They're probably on their way to school because it says Goosetober, so maybe they're all going to school. It is a partial. It's going to have back stitching. But I just thought it was fun. Even if, you know, we're way past autumn. Let's just get through winter, you know. And I love the tree. It's just gorgeous. Not gonna lie, there's some back stitching in there. But I just like all the elements. I did. Let's see what we got going here. It is 212 by 162 stitches. Oh, okay. I was looking for another page with the other set of numbers. This set goes to the paper pattern. This one goes to the canvas. We have a total of 29 colors. We have 310 black. No 939, no 823, no 3371. We're using 3865 for the white. So it has 29 colors in full stitch, 2 in half cross stitch, 1 in French knot, and 3 in back stitch. And, you know, just for, you know, this and that, I might start this today just 'cause I just loved it. So, whoops. Oh, that's just got the picture. I was going to show you what the pattern thing looked like. But yeah, there's some back stitching here and there. And light half cross stitch down underneath kind of as a shading. There is a little bit of half cross stitch down here. But there's going to be some back stitching. Some of it's just like around the colors. So they're fairly easy to do. And it's, whoops, it's on 2 separate pages, like front and back. Gorgeous. Look at that blue sweatshirt. Love it. I'd wear that sweatshirt. Let's take a look at the colors. They are bright and vivid. Moly manoli. It does come on a good thread card with 2 needles. They all had 2 needles. But look at the oranges and the burnt orange and the blues. Just gorgeous. We have kind of an orangish red. It's not red and it's not orange. You know, like solidly. But gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Ugh, yummy. Oh, just what I need is another one to work on full time. Oh my goodness. Yeah. But I do like this. Let's take a look at the canvas. It is another heavy canvas. Very well printed. Let me get to it, a section. and hold it still. But this is nice and thick. And that tree looks like a blast to work because none of this is confetti. All three of them have not had heavy confetti. Nice big key running along the bottom. Very easy to see. You have all your full cross across here, half cross, French knot, and back stitch down this way. Let's take a measure. It is serged all the way around. And it is a little over 18 inches or 46 centimeters by almost 36.5 centimeters or 14.25 inches. Actual picture is a little over 11 inches or 28.5 centimeters by 15.25 inches or 38.5 centimeters. But yeah, this is just going to be gorgeous. I love that tree. And I love the little geese going by. They're just adorbs. Adorbs. So it'd be something to start on. There's not much to it. The back stitching, you know, it's going to be a hot moment. But it wouldn't take you too long to stitch that. Just start with a color. Any color would work and just go for it. Gorgeous. Love that. Thank you, FGNormal, for these three. I'm sorry, I'm rearranging the shifting pile. Thank you, FGNormal, for these three gorgeous kits. I love them all. You know, I want to start all the things. Always, ever and always. So we'll see you this afternoon, 1 o'clock or 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA. Join me for a stitch with me, and we're going to start one of those three. I'm leaning towards the geese. Yeah, because I want to do that tree. Now, FGNormal has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by numbers. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They have always got great sales, wide selection. There's always something for everybody. So do check them out. And they are having the New Year sales now, so check that out as well. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.